So why does technical analysis work in the first place? In order to support technical analysis, we got to make a couple more assumptions. And we're going to talk about them, and mostly it's about price. So the number one assumption is price is supply and demand. We assume that the price is the summation of everything in the market. It is everyone wanting to buy, everyone wanting to sell, everyone telling their parents to go buy Tesla or to short weed stocks. It is everything. Price is the only thing that matters because it's the only truth in the market. It accounts for everything. Every bit of news, every bit of fear, every bit of technical information is all in prices. And prices are not random because they are the summation of everything in the market. We also know that history repeats itself. If we have a pattern that is happening time and time again, we can bet with relative confidence that the same behavior that we have seen every single time is going to repeat itself. We also know that trends and patterns are fractal. We can apply the knowledge that we see on the 5-minute time frame, and we can apply that to a monthly time frame. We can look for bull flags on a 15-minute chart, just like we can look for it on a daily chart. They all follow the same rules. And lastly, we can assume that the market operates on feedback loops. If the market is bullish, you're going to be excited. You're going to tell your friends. Your friends are going to be excited because they want to make money. They'll put money into the market. The market's going to go up because there are more buyers. You're going to be happy because you're making more money. And it continues and continues. That is a feedback loop. It can also operate negatively where you start to feel fear. You sell your stocks. You tell your friends. They sell their stocks. The idea that the market was going to drop is then reified because everyone else is selling their stocks and you feel confident that you made the right decision, spreading more fear. This is a feedback loop, and this is generally what feeds these trends that we see over time. So using all of these assumptions and treating truth as and treating price as the ultimate truth of the market, we can use technical analysis to make fantastic trade decisions. The only truth in the market is the price, and that is the only thing that you should be concerned about.